Greetings, traders. As predicted in my last video, the market pullback after weeks of consolidation. This week brings the highly anticipated FOMC meeting, where the general forecast expects a 25 basis point rate cut. This FOMC meeting brings significant volatility into the markets. Expect more sideways movement as traders wait for clearer signals. On the technical side, the Nasdaq barely broke out of its wedge formation before bouncing back on Friday. The overall sentiment is bearish, with a possibility of the NQ dipping to the 19,857 and 19,609 support levels before the FOMC meeting. Compared to the Nasdaq, the S&P 500's break of its wedge formation is much more pronounced. The ES came close to retesting the 5,722 level, and there's a strong chance it will retest both the 5,722 and 5,672 levels before the FOMC. However, this bearish trend could flip depending on the Fed's rate decision. If the bearishness continues after the meeting, we could see downward pressure last for a couple of weeks. The market may be setting up with a traditional Santa rally, which typically kicks off toward the end of November. Finally, the dollar index is currently looking a bit peaky as it hovers above the 104.082 level. The dollar could oscillate between 104.66 and 103.71 until the FOMC meeting. That's it for this week's update. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week.